Alright, today we are unboxing. This is my first unboxing video, and this box is a Dyson vacuum cleaner, cordless. It's called V8 Absolute actually. When you want to buy one Dyson cordless, there's V8 Absolute Pro, V8 Animal, V8 Fluffy, V8 Animal Plus. You don't know what to choose. In any case, you go to the shop and they say this is better and you buy it. So I just did what they told me to buy. Now I'm unboxing it. Very excited. Yes. Okay, my assistants will take this unpackaged material, and here is it. Whoa, it's out of this world. It looks like super something, and now it's time to open it. Open it. You understand, right? This is my first unboxing. I don't know how to unbox something. Come on! Yeah, okay. Be like this. No, it's not so hard. Yeah. So, okay. This is the novel to read later when we cannot sleep. And oh my god, this is this one, the long one. On the picture when you see. Oh my god. And here is this is such a lightweight, like I cannot think it is. This is metal, by the way, and very light. Amazing. Okay, these are some parts. Here is the charger. I said charger, yes, because you charge your vacuum cleaner before you vacuum it. This is another part. It goes like this. It cleans. And yes, I'm also very excited. Open this now. Wow, it looks good. What a nice color. There's a small like blinking here, if you can see the blue one. Do you see the blue one here blinking? I don't know, what does it mean? Blue light. Okay. We will learn soon. But I think it needs charging. Okay, and put it here. More parts. Wow, this is kind of yummy. It's like a velvet touch. This is for the hard floor. They claim that it also makes a polishing effect on the floor when you use this one. We will see. This is the carpet part. Hard floor, carpet. And what is this then? This is also carpet. Ah, okay. This is for the carpet, and these are for smaller, like on the couch or on your bed, something. So, is this really it? Finished. Unboxing finished. What can we do? And the next video will be about putting and assembling the Dyson V8 Absolute. Okay, so now we have to charge this Dyson as long as it wants. I think around 3 hours, they say. We will see. And we'll be back. And we will be back. We will be back.
There is no face here.
There's no face. I said we will be back.